Welcome to Aira and Momo Tales!
Oh no, Aira looked around. My night light's gone, no glow is found. Shadows dancing on the wall. I don't like the dark at all. Big round eyes began to shine on the wall in crooked line. A wiggly shape with arms so wide, like something trying hard to hide. The whole wall moved, it swayed, it spun, like monsters having midnight fun. Aira whispered soft and tight, I don't feel brave in this dark night. Momo barked, woof, I am here. But even he looked unsure, sincere. Grandma's voice came calm and
What
slow.
happened, dear?
Let's turn
I'm
on
scared,
the gentle
Grandma.
glow.
Don't you worry, sweetie. I'll make it bright.
Okay,
Grandma.
Stood still, no monster
we go
there,
up?
no spooky
Oh,
chill.
Ira,
Those
see the teddy bear's
glowing
eyes?
a
They were just
teddy
reflecting the light.
bear with shiny buttons
Just the
and
teddy
fluffy
bear.
hair.
Aira, look
That
at the robot.
wiggly shadow, tall and
It's just the
toy,
toy.
just her dancing robot boy.
See, Ira? It's just the
The
breeze.
swaying wall that looked
it's
so
just the
tall,
curtain.
curtains
just
moving,
the
that
breeze.
was all.
Oh, it's just the curtain.
Aira blinked and laughed out loud. I was scared for
Aira, those
nothing.
big shadows are just tricks in the
Grandma
dark. They're not
smiled,
scary
my
at all.
little light.
Really, Grandma? I feel safe
Shadows
now.
grow
This
in
is the best
darker
trip ever,
sight.
Grandma.
But when
I'm
you
so
look
glad
a
my little
little
explorer.
more,
Come on,
they're
Mama.
just the toys you had before. Mama wagged with happy cheer. Brave
Come on,
hearts
Mama.
chase away
Hey,
the
faster.
fear. Aira hugged them warm and tight. Now I love the cozy night. Check!
Don't forget to subscribe. More fun with Aira and Momo.